Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with 7-zip cannot open file as archive. Let's fix that problem guys. I'm showing I have problem with this file, this zip file. I'm gonna resolve it. For that, open up a web browser, anything you are using it. I'm gonna using the Google Chrome guys today. Go to search box and type win-rar or win-rar download. Select the win-rar official website rar.com. You just need to select the download option over here and 3.4 MB. Wait for it guys for completing it. After finishing downloaded win-rar opens up guys, open up, close the web browser, click as you just want to install it, go to file explorer and extract the win-rar, click yes and program files, select I'm gonna select these two downloads, click OK, and you just need to select your location guys. To save it, click install and click OK, and after installing it, open the win-rar application and go to file tab over here, select the file tab and select open or care, select it and select the file you have problem with, zip file, select it, open it and select the tools option over here, tools tab, and select the repair archer, select it and treat the acquired archer as zip is a type. Select if you want to save it as any folder, you just need to browse it and select it and select OK. You just need to get the message guys, done, and after finishing it, close out of here and go to file, that's be rebuilt, that zip file comes to rebuild, named as rebuild. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.